Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing a little bit of maintenance in the garden. Some of the stuff is already starting to die off, so we're gonna have to do some circulation. We're gonna start pulling some things, do some full harvest, and get ready to start planting some new things. I'll show you what we got going on in the beginning of August. Guys startled me. Hey, guys, come here. Gentle. Got him? Nice. After we have our little friend that we found, we started pulling things, and this is what we've got so far. These are our purple green beans. Got a lot of tomatoes and jalapenos, that's right. This is our Amish paste. These are from our vine, and then the rest of these are our bush. Yep.
And some carrots.
We have some carrots. We have a jailbreak. Look at our little buddy that we found. All of the carrots are ready. You see pulling them. Black Nebula. And those are our Danver. Start using those up. Our onions are still going strong. Our peas are reaching the end of their life. Over here, getting burned out. So we're gonna start pulling this that's in here that isn't producing anymore and get prepared for a second wave. I planted everything on the outsides. So this time I'm gonna plant along the inside and do another batch of peas and get those started. I already harvested all of our banana peppers that were at the right size. We started pulling our lettuce. But our biggest harvest so far are our cucumbers. That is all of our cucumbers. I pulled all of those, and we still have stuff on the inside that should be maturing here probably in the next couple days that we'll come out here and get. And almost all of this is our lemon cucumbers. And I can see one inside. All of our hot peppers, they are starting to come in. I think I pulled one bleeding Borg. We got another one that's coming in right here. It'll be ready soon. But they're all getting the fruit. We're just waiting for it to all mature. Same thing with our Scotch bonnets. Planted a bunch of zucchini in here. Nothing has popped up quite yet. Our delicata squash, though, it's all starting to flower. So, oh, we got one in there. Not ready yet, but we got one. And another one on the inside as well. Pumpkins. And then our raspberries are done. And now the blackberries are starting. They're all red, so we're just waiting for them to mature and turn black, and then we'll come out here and start picking them. Definitely have to be a lot more vigilant with that this year because we barely got any blackberries We gotta be a lot more vigilant this year because our blackberries, we only got a few last year. The raspberries and the cherries were attacked by birds and squirrels and chipmunks, so we gotta be on top of that since we're not netting them right now, that we got here before they do. I am under that singular green bean. There's a few of them that are coming in, but this is all just starting. So But this is one of my favorite sites in the garden, and that is our bean trellises whenever we do this. Because it's a complete canopy. Got a few starting here and there, but it's just a thick canopy that will come in and start harvesting as soon as they come in. The Amazel basil's doing okay. It's split, so some of it's dying off, but the Amazel basil's growing pretty big. But this mint is ridiculous. We've never grown mint in any of our beds, and it's extremely successful. I just wanted to give you a quick video on what is going on in the garden, what our harvest is. We're doing pretty good so far. It's just the beginning of August. There's going to be a lot more to harvest, especially once all the peppers come in. So if you have any questions or comments, stay tuned for more, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.